If you're anything like me, you go through lots and lots of batteries. Now, if you're sick and tired of having to go out to the store and get replacements and have dead batteries lying around everywhere, I think I might have the right product for you. Welcome to JJ's Tech Review, and today I'll show you everything you need to know about the Ostation 2 Pro. Alright, so my first and favorite feature of the Ostation 2 Pro is the screen. It's a super responsive touchscreen. It's got a charging status screen, the settings screen, so you can connect it to your phone with the app, and of course a power button, and you can turn it off. At the top, you're gonna have loading areas for your AA batteries and for your AAA batteries. It doesn't matter what way you place the batteries, since the system inside is smart and it knows how to switch the polarities. Simply just load them up and it will charge them up for you. Freshly charged batteries will be dispensed to these trays where you can pick them up and use them as needed. And if by any chance you put a bad battery in there, it will put it into the recycling chute, and you can remove it that way. Now, before we get back to the review, make sure you subscribe or else. And on the side here, it has this magnetic charging area for the flashlights if you purchase those as well. But yeah, super straightforward. This product's awesome. I've been using it for a little while now. It's definitely helping with my productivity. I'll have the link to purchase this in the description and in my bio. And you can use my special discount code, which I'll have down there too. This product comes out to about 140 bucks, but with my code, you should probably be closer to about 120. Anyways, this was a short one, but I'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys.